Before we move on to actually working on the home page and displaying our tracks, I want to take care of one thing. Note that when we refresh the page, we can see very quickly our loading text. And that's being displayed within our root component when we're waiting for our me query to resolve. In the same way that we improve the styling of our shared error component, let's do the same for our loading component that's also within the shared folder. Let's uncomment this one import up at the top, and within the return we'll provide a div with the class name classes.root, and within the div a circular progress component with the class name classes.progress. So now to use this loading component, and when loading is displayed we'll see this circular progress spinner, we'll head to our root component and let's import both our loading and error components here. So we'll import loading from ./components/shared/loading, and we can copy this line and modify this for importing the error component. So now we can say if loading, we're going to return loading, and if error, we're going to return error and provide our error prop and pass through the error object to it. Now let's save loading and root and take a look at our app. And you might not be able to see it when you refresh the page, considering that the query executes rather quickly. What you can do is you can open your console, head to network, and then change the connection to, instead of online, say a fast 3G, and then reload, and you should be able to see our loading spinner very briefly up at the top.